In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download files and full projects from GitHub. Whether you're working with open source code or collaborating on development projects, this is a quick way to save repositories to your computer. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that contains the files or project you want to download. Once you're inside the repository, you'll see all the files and folders that make up the project. Now, look for the green code button near the top of the page and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Download Zip. GitHub will package the entire repository into a zip file and your browser will begin downloading it. Depending on the size of the project and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded zip file from your browser or your computer's downloads folder. You can then extract the zip file to access all the individual files and folders inside the project. On Windows, you can right-click the zip file and select Extract All, while other operating systems provide similar extraction options. Once the files are extracted, you can open, edit, or use the project on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a full project from GitHub and extracted its files for use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.